the irrational numbers like this. But what happens if I want to represent 9.1? How will you represent this? This can also be represented on a number line. So the first step is draw a line AB equals to 9.1 centimeter. I will not write these steps because if I will write the steps, it will be very difficult for me to draw and explain you the figure. So I am directly drawing a line. So let us say this is my line AB of 9.1 centimeters. What I have done, this step 1 is to draw a line AB of 9.1 centimeters. Then from B, draw another 1 centimeter and name it as C. Okay, so this is 1 centimeter. Now we need to find the center of AC, and the center of AC is found out by making the perpendicular bisector of AC. So we will draw an arc of more than half of AC upstairs and down. Then from C as a center, again the half of AC, radius half of AC, will draw another arc and will join this line. Now this center O represents the center of AC. I am just extending this A so that you are able to visualize the center. Okay. Now this is O, which is called the center of AC. Now O as a center and radius OA or OC, we will draw the semicircle. Okay, what we have done? We have drawn a semicircle taking O as a center and radius OC or AO. Clear? So a semicircle is formed. Now at B, you have to draw an angle of 90 degree by making an arc of 60, 120, then 90, which intersects the semicircle at some point, let us say P. Okay, this intersects the semicircle at some point P. Clear? Now with B as a center, okay, with BP. Now this BP is under root 9.1. This BP represents under root 9.1. Now we have to draw it on the number line, and the number line lies on the scale here. Okay, this is the extended scale. Now B as a center and radius as BP, we will draw a line, draw an arc like this. So it will be like this thing. Okay. Now this distance is called the root 9.1. This is root 9.1. Okay, this point. So from B to this point, this is under root 9.1 centimeters. This is how we can draw any number square root. We can draw any number square root on the number line. So in your exam, it can come like 7.5, 3.7, any number can come. So this is how you need to draw it. First step, draw a line AB of 9.1 centimeter or whatever centimeter is given. Then extend 1 more centimeter. Then after, draw the perpendicular bisector of AC and find the center O. Then taking O as center and radius OA, we will draw a semicircle which will be like this. Then B as the center, we will draw an angle of 90 degree so that it intersects at the some point on the semicircle. After this, the distance BP represents the square root of any number which we have made. Then from P, we will draw an arc taking B as a center and radius BP. Okay, so now this distance, let us say, name this D. BD distance is under root 9.1 centimeters. Okay, so now BD represents 9.1 centimeter. In your exam, whenever this construction comes, you have to write the steps of construction too. Always write steps of construction, because this question will either come in 3 or 4 marks. So 3 and 4 marks means 2 marks for construction and 1 mark of steps of construction. Now today's work. Next we have the rationalization and exponents, and as informed, your rationalization has been done. Okay, so I am not taking your rationalization and exponents. Even if now if you have any problem related to exponents and this rationalization, you can inform me, and then after we will start the next chapter. So now homework for today is you have to draw the number line for under root 7.5, under root 3.7, 3, under root 4.3. So that's all for today.